We are now going to reset the iPad so none of your data or pictures are saved for the next student. We first need to find the Settings app. It's a gray cogwheel icon. You can swipe to the right to find it, or you can swipe down to search by typing in Settings, Setting. First thing that will pop up is Settings. On the left window, you're going to find the word General. It starts with a G. Also has a picture of the cogwheels. On the right side, we're finding the word Reset. It starts with the letter R. Then we're looking for the phrase Erase all content and settings. Tap on that. You will get a pop-up asking if you want to erase. Tap on the red Erase. It'll ask you again, are you sure? Tap the red Erase. The iPad will then begin to erase all apps and data. Be patient as it erases. Wait for the next steps. When the iPad is done resetting, it will come to a screen that says hello in English and then in various other languages. We have now factory reset the iPad and we will stop right there.